We have the following figure. The area of this is 25 meters squared. These two sides, they are identical. That means they have the same dimension. If this and this are the same, that means this and this, they are also the same. That means this figure is a square which has area 25 meters squared. This is a triangle, a right angle triangle. The distance from here, the length from here to here is 12 meters. We are to find the area of the shaded region. We take solution. First, we are going to start by letting the distance from here to here to be L. This will also be L because they are identical. The area of a square is given by side times side. That means L times L is equal to 25 meters squared. This will simply imply that L squared is equal to 25 meters squared. Then, taking square root on both sides, this will give us the square root of L squared to be equal to the square root of 25 meters squared. Then, L will simply be equal to 5 meters. From here to here is 5 meters, so we can calculate this distance from here to here. It will simply be 12 meters minus 5 meters. 12 meters minus 5 meters gives us 7 meters. From here to here, it is 5 meters. We know the base of the triangle to be 7 meters. We know the height of the triangle to be 5 meters. Now we can proceed to calculate the area of the shaded region, which is a right angle triangle. Area of shaded region is simply equal to a half base times the height. This will simply be equal to a half times the base. The base of the triangle is 7 meters times the height of the triangle, which is 5 meters. This will simply be equal to 1 times 7 meters, it remains 7 meters. 7 meters times 5 meters gives us 35 meters squared. All over 2 times 1 times 1, it remains 2. Expressing 35 all over 2 meters squared as a mixed fraction, this will simply be equal to, it has a whole number part of 17 and a remainder of 1. So this will give us the mixed fraction 17.5 meters squared. This is the area of the shaded region. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to ask your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.